Hey, have you noticed those technicians with the strange-looking devices checking the welds on that huge pipeline? I just overheard them mentioning ultrasonic testing. Do you know what that is? Excuse me, we noticed you performing some kind of ultrasonic testing on the welds. Could you explain what that involves?
Absolutely. Ultrasonic testing, or UT, is a non-destructive testing method that uses high-frequency sound waves to detect flaws or discontinuities in materials like metal welds.
So, how does it work exactly?
We use a probe that sends ultrasonic waves into the weld. These waves travel through the material and reflect back to the probe when they encounter any defect or changes in density. By analyzing these reflections, we can identify cracks, porosity, lack of fusion, and other imperfections that may compromise the weld's integrity.
That's incredible. It's like having X-ray vision for welds without damaging them.
UT is highly accurate and reliable for detecting internal flaws that may not be visible to the naked eye. It's essential for ensuring the safety and quality of critical welded structures like pipelines, bridges, and pressure vessels.
I can see why this technology is so valuable. It must save a lot of time and money compared to tearing apart welds for inspection.
Absolutely. UT is a cost-effective way to inspect welds without interrupting operations or compromising the integrity of the structure. It's a game changer in the world of welding and fabrication.